Good afternoon, sir. My name is Judy Anjao. So this is my report. It's all about the what is longevity and active lifestyle. So longevity and active lifestyle, it's how long a person going to live and how healthy his later life will be. You can also understand the term longevity as a description of the states when a person lives beyond the average life expectancy. Lifestyle effects. Eating a nutritious diet and exercising regularly may increase your life expectancy. So, yung longevity and active lifestyle daw po natin is nakadepende din daw po kung paano tayo mamuhay. Example po dito yung mga nagda-diet. So, meron pa akong kilala na nagda-diet daw po siya. Yung pagda-diet niya raw po is yung hindi pagkain ng kanin, yung hindi daw po pagkain ng kanin, hindi daw po pagkain ng mga gulay-gulay, mga ganun. Basta, yung meaning po ng diet sa kanya is yung hindi pagkain ng isang araw. Yun yung pagkakaalam niya sa diet na, for me, it's mali. Kasi po, pag sinabi pong pagda-diet, it means po is yung pag-level po natin ng pagkain or kanin. Kunyari po, yung white rice, di ba yung pwede po nating pamalit sa white rice is yung red rice na mababa po yung sugar niya na magkakos ng mababang sugar sa atin. So, magiging maliit po yung ating, yung mga bilbil po natin dyan or yung taba na tinatawag natin. So, diet, increase your intake of fruits, vegetable, white grains, and healthy fats. So, yun po. Yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung diet is not all about na hindi natin pagkain sa isang araw, but then yung pag-maintain natin na kinakain natin. Example po yung mga dapat, pag hindi po tayo kumakain ng kanin, dapat kumakain tayo palagi ng mga veggie, syempre kasama din yung pagkain ng karne, at syempre yung tubig. Yun po talaga yung mga pwedeng pamalit natin kung gusto natin na mag-diet. So, second one is exercise regularly. So, isa din po ito sa mga pwede natin gawin para tayo ay mag-diet, yung pag-exercise regularly. So, tulad po ng mga ng mga artista, di ba po may maintain body sila? Syempre, pag may maintain body po, you need to have a exercise every day, every morning. So, ang ginagawa po nila palagi, nag-yoga, nag-jogging, or anything na exercise. So, next is, what is longevity? Longevity refers to the person's life duration influenced by factors like genetics, lifestyle choices, healthcare access, and environmental influences. It encompasses the ability to live healthy long life and can also refer to the durability of objects or concepts. So, yung longevity daw po, this is, yung sinabi ko nga po kanina na, kung paano po tayo mamuhay or paano po tayo, yun nga po, yung sa pagkain natin, paano po tayo humain, paano po tayo, yung pagkakaroon po ng exercise regularly. So, ayun lang po. Thank you po.
Okay, good day everyone. My name is Chantel A. Dos Santos and this is my report. What is active lifestyle? An active lifestyle involves regular physical activities, exercise, and movement to promote fitness, health, and overall well-being. People with an active lifestyle prioritize daily activities like walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, dancing, sports, yoga, and more. It offers health benefits like improved cardiovascular health, weight management, mental health, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and enhanced mood energy levels. It is crucial for maintaining good health and a balanced life. Ito sa active lifestyle is Napapaloob dito yung araw-araw nating pamumuhay dito yung ah, ano, pagkain ng mga masustansyang pagkain, like ng mga gulay, karne, isda, dito. Wag lang puro junk food, soft drinks, chicheria, kung ano-anong mga maaalat dyan. Diyan nakakapaloob yan sa healthy lifestyle. And isa pa dyan is yung exercise. Nakakapaloob dyan sa healthy lifestyle. Halimbawa yan, kahit yung simpleng paglakad lang is a good magandang exercise na rin. And ang isa sa mga ng healthy lifestyle is yung exercise. Mag-exercise ka 3 times sa isang linggo, 3 beses, mga ganun. Hindi mo naman kailangan na gusto mo nga achieve ang healthy lifestyle. Araw-arawin mo talaga kagad yung exercise. Hindi naman ganun. All you need is 3 days in a week. Sa isang linggo, 3 beses mo lang gawin. Yan lang. That's enough na. Next naman is healthy aging. Engaging in sport activities can support health aging by maintaining muscle mass, flexibility, balance, and mobility. Staying active through sports can help individuals maintaining maintain maintain independence, functional abilities, and overall well-being as they age, promoting longevity and a higher quality of life. Halimbawa niyan, dito, mga kabataan mo, halimbawa, kung binata ka pa, halimbawa lang to, mahilig ka mag-exercise, wala kang bisyo, or, ganun, wala kang bisyo. Pagdating na, ikaw na tumanda ka na, hindi mo yung sabihin na may nararamdaman ka na. Yan, pag matanda ka na, maramdaman mo na, ay, tumisikip yung paghinga, ganyan, or madalas manakit yung likod kasi nung ikaw ay kabataan mo pa, puro lang higa, ganyan. Pagdating na matanda ka na, doon na lumalabas yung mga sakit-sakit. Mahihilig sa mga matatamis, yan, sumasakit na yung tuhod, matanda na, yan, sumasakit na palagi ang likod, kasi walang exercise, yan, rumurupok na mga buto, kasi, halimbawa yan, kasi hindi kumakain ng mga healthy foods. Yan, sumisikip ang paghinga, kasi nung kabataan, malakas manigarilyo, mga ganun. Kaya, habang bata pa, kaya mag-practice tayo mag-exercise, kahit simpleng lakad-lakad lang dyan, jogging-jogging kada umaga, at saka isa rin yan is maging active sa sports. And para mag-active tayo sa sports, para maging more healthy, and yan naman po. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Diana Miapiador and I will continue to cognitive function. So physical activity including sports has been linked to improve cognitive function and brain health, promoting longevity and quality of life by reducing cognitive decline risk. So pag sinabi sa cognitive function is ito yung like ating brain health. So dito tayo nag-iisip, dito na isip kung paano ba ito problema or ano naman, and nilagay mga memories natin na matagal na gano'n, and dapat is maalagaan natin to, and kasi nga mahalaga to sa ating katawan. At like example na dito sa cognitive function is ako is nag-exercise ako para makaisip ako na exercise ako, and doon ko napansin na gumaganda yung aking pag-iisip, or doon ako nakakaisip ng kung paano ba isolve yung problema ko or solution. And yung pag-ehersisyo ko or ako ng mga activity is doon nagiging mabuti yung aking cognitive function or aking brain health. Hello everyone, my name is Diana Mi Alpriador and I will report about lifestyle choices. So, including regular physical activity and healthy habits significantly contribute to longevity and overall well-being. These include maintaining physical fitness, cardiovascular health, and mental well-being. Prioritizing self-care, maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding harmful habits, and cultivating strong social relationship can enhance quality of life and increase life expectancy. So, sabi dito sa lifestyle choices is dapat tayong maging active sa mga regular na activity like sa mga magja-jog natin and sa mga regular na exercise. And prioritize din natin na syempre alagaan yung kalusugan natin at saka yung mental natin is para maiwasan yung mga sakit is dapat hindi tayo iwasan natin yung paninigarilyo natin at yung pag-inom ng alak para hindi maapektuhan yung mental health natin at yung kalusugan ng ating katawan.
Good day, sir. My name is Lori Jane Iala from Group 8. My report is longevity and active lifestyle. My topic is sports and team sports. First one, sports significantly improve bone health by promoting strength, density, and overall health. Weight-bearing activities stimulate bone formation and maintain mass, while regularly participation reduces the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions by enhancing bone mineral density and structure. Ito po yung yung mga makabuluhang improvement sa ating buto or ating kalusugan. Promosyon, lakas, densidad, pangkalahatang kalusugan. Syempre, 'di ba, magiging matibay ang ating mga buto kung nag-e-exercise tayo araw-araw or may mga sports tayong sinasalihan. Ma-maintain natin ang ating timbang, mas okay na sa mental health natin at ma-enhance natin yung ating struktura ng ating mga buto. The second one is team sports. Pag sinabing team sports, ibig sabihin teamwork kayo or grupo. Bilang manglalaro, dapat marunong kang makipag-socialize at pag-aalaga sa mga grupo. Lalo na halimbawa, sa team nyo, ikaw yung leader, dapat teamwork kayo. At saka hindi lang po yung kailangan mayroon po tayong sense of humor. Marunong kang makiramdam sa mga ka-team mo para maging strong ang team nyo. Mas matibay ang samahan. Yun lamang po. Thank you.